A very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching this fabulous Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor. A very good afternoon to everybody. As everyone knows that this is Monday, starting of the week, and this is the iPulse day. So a very good afternoon to all the Vivites who are watching this. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that, please start shooting me your questions right now. So I'll be answering the last week's questions first, followed by the present week's questions. So the rules are clear, I believe. So I also request you to host watch parties so that each and every one of you who is watching this, either a distributor or a customer, gets the knowledge or the benefits of this wonderful product, and definitely scientific as well as very important, the scientific validated as well as a logical promotion can happen from everyone's side. So a very good afternoon to all the Vivites. I hope you're all safe and staying home. So thank you very much for your patient cooperation as well as watching on the whole of the Facebook live series. We also appreciate the queries that you are asking us. Well, we are also trying to implement a system in which each and every of your query will be answered. So this is getting filtered shortly. Once we have that, each and every query that is raised on the Facebook Messenger also can be answered as well, my dear friends. So don't have to worry about that. None of your queries will go in vain. Well, I would also like to remind you that I'll be coming live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Indus Viva INC Facebook page, wherein you can see me live on the Facebook page as well. On INC Facebook page, if someone has not liked or subscribed to the page, I request you to subscribe to the INC page as well, my dear friends. So thank you so much for that. The other important thing that I wanted to tell you is our Indus Viva / Vibrant Viva page. We are also posting some of the posters which are related to our products. These posters basically, they are the posters which have the ingredients of the individual products, or each and every product. The ingredients are actually listed so that you can use these posters for your promotional purposes as well. So a very good afternoon to everybody, whoever is watching this wonderful show. So as I told you, this is the iPulse day, and the major point which comes out of iPulse is always the immune boosters. See, on July the 17th, just 3 days back, one of the articles which appeared in Times Now, which majorly it stated something like this: scientists are now believing that people who have come out of COVID-19 situation also, their antibody levels have to be kept up. This is always very important. See, there was a theory long back stating that if one comes out of a pandemic disease, they will be immune to that disease so that they will not get this disease again and again. This was the same thing with chickenpox. A lot of time people say that chickenpox once comes to the human body will never come again. No, this is actually disproved today. So in the sense, anybody who has a disease can also get the disease the next time, which means that their immune system always have to be kept upright. This is what is exactly called as developing a lot of innate immunity. Well, that is the reason why now the doctors are actually telling that. So scientists are actually believing that even the recovered COVID-19 patients are losing immunity with the time. This is a very important thing. They are losing immunity with time. So this immunity plays a very major role in controlling major conditions inside the body. Well, as you all know that, I would like to repeat that mantra, and thus that mantra has to be your mantra also on a daily basis. All our Indus Viva wellness products are called as frontline immune booster products. So please have that mantra repeating all the time so that each and every one of you will be benefited with this. Well, my dear friends, so going ahead, immunity and COVID-19, again in one of the other articles which was published by the Hindustan Times on July the 17th, 2020, they clearly said that recent studies have shown that people recovering from COVID-19 may have antibodies only for a few months. See, they are not even trying to quantify the number of days or months. Okay, you have recovered from this ailment, but how long is a question. That is what the questions they are also posing even today. Because your body is a human body. It is not some kind of a robo. See, you cannot tune your body with a screwdriver or a spanner. Your body will react. At some point of time, the body will start reacting to any antigens or the foreign bodies which is coming inside it. The similar is a case with COVID-19 as well. Even though if a person is relieved of the symptoms of COVID-19, he or she can also get the infection again and again, time and again. That is the reason why keeping up your immunity is a very, very important thing in today's scenario, my dear friends. Please do keep up your immune health always upright. This is what my earnest request is. Well, going ahead, as I always tell you, iPulse is a product with plenty of antioxidants. iPulse is a product with plenty of antioxidant support. Antioxidants are required in optimum quantity. Only then your body will be able to produce the best of the best immunity or the resistance. Or in simpler words, if I have to tell you, your body has to develop a resistance shield in order to fight against the enemies. This is what exactly your body has to do, and in order to do that, your body has to have optimum amounts of antioxidants. See, whenever an antigen enters into your body, always the body will have an immune response. That is the reason why you will have fever. That is what is the first and the foremost immune response that you have. Well, antioxidants are produced in our body in very low numbers. How do you increase their numbers? There are two ways of increasing the antioxidant numbers. First thing is, you should be having a very good, balanced, sumptuous, nutritious diet which can improve your antioxidant number. Well, the other part of it is we are not getting such nutritious food today. That is a reality. That is the truth. Well, what is the second part there? The second part is always the consumption of wellness supplements which are rich with antioxidants. That is the reason why iPulse is considered as a dietary antioxidant. So whenever you consume a dietary antioxidant, automatically your antioxidant numbers inside your body will be restored. Suppose if one remembers the benefits of iPulse that most of you have read on the brochures as well, restores antioxidant number is actually written on that. The answer for that is what I've told you now. It is restoring the antioxidant number. I hope the point is clear. Well, immune booster supplements and COVID-19. Well, this is also one of the other articles which was published in the Indian Express on July the 17th. On the Indian Express, July the 17th, this article was actually written by a famous nutritionist called as Pooja Makhija. I am taking a reference out of this newspaper called as Indian Express, published on 17th of July 2020, written by a nutritionist called as Pooja Makhija. She says that immunity is not built overnight. Absolutely correct. Immunity is not built overnight, but it is built over a period of time. This is a very important thing. You cannot gain immunity immediately. Right now you drink iPulse, you can't gain immunity. Your immunity can be built only over a period of time. That is a very, very important statement. Well, that is the reason why your diet has to be proper. Your immunity will only build only when your diet is proper. Suppose if you are not getting enough antioxidants through your diet, it is always important for you to consume the dietary antioxidants from outside like iPulse, which will help you improve your antioxidant status, and automatically this improves your immune status also, which means that your resistance towards the disease will also improve. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So you can gain antioxidants by two important ways, either by diet, or the second thing is by the use of dietary supplements like iPulse. I hope the point is clear. Well, my dear friends, one of the other articles I wanted to tell you here is on July the 17th, again 2020, July 17th, Dr. Marlin McKay. So in fact, he is a general practitioner in the United States, in the the Western world. He clearly says that there is some evidence of taking supplements such as vitamin D for boosting your immune system against the virus. So Dr. Marlin McKay, who is a general practitioner in the Western world, he says that optimum use of vitamin D can improve your immunity status. But are we getting vitamin D? Are we exposing ourselves to sunlight these days? Because of the COVID-19 lockdown situations, we are not able to expose ourselves to the sunlight every day. That is the reason why most of us, probably after the lockdown is open, totally when the country is declared free from all kinds of COVID-19 infections, please do have a check on your vitamin D status. And I would definitely assure you that all your vitamin D levels would have come down, because we have because we have not exposed ourselves to any kind of sunlight these days. This is a very important thing. That is how the deficiency disorders can increase a lot in our human body. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So antioxidants and heart health. See, the second point that nobody should forget in iPulse is all about the importance of heart health also. If you see, we've been talking about immunity most of the days, but heart health also plays a very important role in your body. Immunity of your human body is nothing but immunity which is related to each and every organ of the human body. This is very important. Immunity which is related to each and every organ of the human body. Heart also plays a very important role in that. Well, as I told you, COVID-19 can damage your heart, especially the vessels of the heart as well as the musculature of the heart. This is important. COVID-19, whenever it damages your body, directly or indirectly, people might have asymptomatic conditions also. But in the long run, what the scientists are now telling is, in the long run, people's heart, especially the muscles of the heart, as well as the vessels of the heart, vessels in the sense the arteries, the veins, the capillaries, these components of the heart can also be damaged when this particular virus damages the respiratory system as well as the heart. I hope you got the importance of this now. And antioxidants can always play a very important role in protecting your heart also. This is a very important thing. Antioxidants can get you a very important thing so far as the protection of the heart is concerned. So as you all know that acai berry is one of the major components of iPulse. Acai berry, we are using it in the form of a freeze-dried powder, and 14% of acai berry is actually used in our products. See, acai berry contains natural polyphenols. Nearly 1000 polyphenols are there in acai berry. I am telling you this point. There are a lot of polyphenols. More than 1000 polyphenols are present in this wonderful product called as acai berry ingredient. Similarly, we also have something called as anthocyanins, which are colored pigments. See, whenever you have a look at the fruit of acai berry or any berry for that matter, the color is made up of anthocyanins, which is important for the human body. Similarly, there are some of the important elements like resveratrol and other things which are present in acai berry, which is protecting your heart. That is the reason why the freeze-dried powder of acai berry, which we are using in our product at a percentage of 14, is showing all these antioxidant and cardioprotective benefits. I hope the point is clear to you. So, as you all know that if you consume 60 ml of iPulse a day, it is equal to consumption of 3.5 kgs of freshly plucked organic garden fruits. This is important. Freshly plucked organic garden fruits. And this ORAC value is equal to 7,000. This is very important, my dear friends, because the World Health Organization always recommends 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis can help the human body to cope up with all kinds of oxidative stress. Well, we are giving 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, that is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, which will give you the benefit of 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. I hope the point is clear to you all. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that cardio protection is a very important thing in your body. As I told you, your cardiac immunity is also very important. Well, cardiac problem in the sense it is not only your heart attack or cardiac arrest. Please don't mistake me with that. Cardiac problem, heart problem. If someone tells you about heart problem, what and all are involved in heart problems? Your diabetes is the first thing. Your smoking and addictions is the second thing. Blood pressure is a third. High cholesterol levels in your blood is a fourth. Lack of exercise is the fifth. Unhealthy eating patterns is the sixth. Stress or lack of sleep is the next one. Breathlessness on exertion is also a major point. Breathlessness on lying down position. This is very important. If someone is experiencing severe breathlessness when you are lying down or in the sleeping posture, that is also a major indication of a cardiac problem. Similarly, swelling in the leg, puffiness of the face. Whenever there is swelling in the face, that is also a major indication. Excessive fatigue. Okay, I am not tired today, but I am feeling this tiredness for the last 1 month. How can I control this tiredness? That is also one of the major factors. Then bloating of the stomach. People do think that, okay, gas problems are there, but the gas problems, when they are considered to be severe, when the gas problems are considered to be very much chronic, automatically you will have heart related issues as well. Similarly, you have weight gain also. When there is unexplained weight loss and unexplained weight gain, both of them are considered to be the prerequisites for any cardiac problem. I hope the points are clear to you. So whenever you are speaking about eye-pulse, whenever you are speaking about eye-pulse in relationship with cardioprotection, always try to speak about all these problems, not only the heart attack or cardiac arrest. That is the end stage of whatever you are talking right now actually. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, as you all know that free radicals, oxidative stress will lead to a lot of free radicals in the body. Free radicals are nothing but they are unstable molecules. This is very important. Free radicals are nothing but unstable molecules. So, unstable molecules in the sense is what? They are roaming everywhere and anywhere in the human body. It can start from your brain, it can go into your eyes, it can go into your nose, it can go into your mouth, it can go into your lungs, wherever you have organs inside the body or blood circulating inside the body, your free radicals are going wherever they want to. So that is the reason why to control the free radicals is the most important task so far as eye-pulse is concerned. That is the reason why when 60 ml of eye-pulse is drunk on a daily basis, consumed on a daily basis, automatically you can neutralize those free radicals. This is very important. What does eye-pulse do to the free radicals? Eye-pulse will neutralize the free radicals, so automatically a person will not suffer from all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. I hope my point is clear to everybody. Well, apart from this, eye-pulse has a lot of significant benefits also, starting from cardiovascular benefits. It strengthens your heart, it inhibits platelet aggregation, it reduces the increased cholesterol levels, it also has a lot of antioxidant benefits, it protects your cells. Each and every cell of the body is very important so that it is protected well. It scavenges the free radicals, it strengthens your cell membrane, it restores your antioxidant number also. This is also very important. It restores your antioxidant number. I hope the point is clear to you. I was trying to talk about the restoration of the antioxidant number in the body in my previous, the same Facebook live, 5 minutes or 10 minutes back. So, apart from this, it also has a lot of immunobooster benefits as well. It builds your proteins, it strengthens your immune system, it enhances cellular communication, it relieves the inflammation, it fights your bacteria as well as the virus as well. So the main thing what eye-pulse does is it neutralizes the free radicals. This is a very important thing. So neutralizing the free radicals is the most Herculean task that a particular product can do in your body. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So, apart from this, especially in case of cancer patients, the quality of life can be improved by using this wonderful health supplement, dietary supplement called as eye-pulse. Not only this, for the nervous system benefits, it is very good for strengthening the nervous system. It strengthens your memory. It improves your mental clarity as well. And it also has a lot of anti-diabetic benefits. It combats the complications of diabetes. This is one of the most important information that everybody needs to know about. It combats the complications of diabetes. I'm not trying to tell that this maintains or controls your sugar levels, but there are a lot of complications of this dreadful disease called as diabetes. These complications can be well tackled with the use of eye-pulse. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So not only this, as I told you, in case of diabetes patients, it is always important for you to give the product 20 ml 2 times in a day. For diabetic people, it is always important to give 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before your breakfast and half an hour before your dinner. I hope the point is clear to everyone. For other people, it is always 30 ml 2 times. For diabetic people, it is always 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food. It is also good for blood pressure. As I told you, in case of low blood pressure, low hemoglobin and low body weight, it is always important for you to give eye-pulse 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear. For age limit is concerned, it is always important for you to give eye-pulse from 1 year old to 100 years old. This is how eye-pulse has to be used. The duration, see, most of you have the question on duration. I will be repeating this point again and again just for the benefit of everyone who is watching. the wellness supplements always require at least a minimum of 3 months to show its health benefits inside the body. It's always important for you to know this. And the time of intake, as you all know, better in the morning and the night, by 8:30 in the morning and 8:30 in the night, or 8:45, by 8:30 to 9 o'clock, you can say, in the morning as well as night when it is consumed, it is a better time for you to consume iPulse. Well, during pregnancy and lactation, also a very important question that most of you ask. For the first 6 months of pregnancy, it is always important for you to consume iPulse. So in the lactation phase, when you see this, it is always important for you to consume 1 month after your delivery. That is during the breastfeeding time. First month should not be given. From the second month onwards, one can consume iPulse as well, my dear friends. So thank you very much for watching this. I appreciate your participation in this wonderful Facebook live series. Now it's a question answer time. So I'll be taking up the last week's questions first, followed by today's questions as well, my dear friends. So the last week's questions. So again, I want to tell you all that we know that the question flow is too high. See, this is a lockdown period. We are all working from homes as well. So there is a bit of a constraint where we are trying to get in some system now, so that each and every one of your query will be answered, even when the query is on the Facebook Messenger as well, my dear friends. So don't have to worry about it. Once the system is up and running, we will be able to do that. For some time, please bear with us. So thanks for your coordination again. So the first question that I am taking here is from Miss Pooja Sharma. If Miss Pooja Sharma is watching this, how does iPulse work in autoimmune conditions? Well, Miss Pooja Sharma, autoimmune conditions are those in which the body is fighting against yourself. So this is what autoimmunity is all about. In such conditions, it is always important for you to consume 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour after the food and not before the food. I hope the point is clear. The second question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Lakshman Sibbala. If Mr. Lakshman Sibbala is watching this, does iPulse work on reducing the back pain? How many months we need to consume? Well, as I told you, for neurological problems like back pain, iPulse is a very good product. You can consume 30 ml twice daily, at least for a period of 3 months, to get the maximum health benefits. I hope the point is clear. The third question I am seeing here is from Mr. Manzoor Ahmad. If you are watching this, what is the dosage of iPulse for baby? As I told you, it is always important to give iPulse after 1 year of age, not below 1 year. Above 1 year, you can give 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food itself. I hope the point is clear. So the fourth question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Meta Kadu. If I am able to pronounce your name right, sorry for that otherwise. So how will it help to increase, how will it help in the case of cancer patients, blood cancer patients? See, as I have told you, this is a very important thing that everyone needs to know. One thing is, in case of any kind of cancer issues, the quality of life plays a very important role. See, whenever a quality of life is actually important, developing the quality of life of a person or the lifestyle plays a very important role here, rather than cutting down the actual condition. Because cancer is a situation where each and every cell of the body or different vital organs of the body are affected subsequently. That is the reason why improving the quality of life plays a very important role here. I would suggest you to give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, as a generalized health supplement in order to improve the quality of life in this patient. At least for a minimum period of 3 months is suggested. I hope the point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here, my relative, a boy of 15 years old, is suffering from vitiligo for the last 5 years. Which of the product is suggested along with iPulse or iGlow? That is what the question is asked by Miss Malayamma. If Malayamma is watching this, so as you have rightly asked, you can give both a combination of iPulse and iGlow in this condition. You can give 30 ml 2 times, and iGlow will be 2 sachets in a day, half an hour after the food. iGlow is always 15 minutes to half an hour after the food, and Pulse will be 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food. I hope the point is clear. You can give this as a generalized health supplement in these 2 conditions as well. So the next question is, there is severe body ache due to viral infection, which doctors are telling some kind of arthritis. Well, the answer lies in your question itself. The question is from Miss Sushmita Panigrahi. If Miss Sushmita Panigrahi is watching this, absolutely yes. This is called as viral arthritis. It might be any kind of viral arthritis actually. Definitely, this is also a kind of an autoimmune condition where you can give 30 ml iPulse half an hour after the food twice daily. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Dinoy Devasi. Can iPulse be used for eczematous conditions? Eczema is a skin condition. It is also called as a kind of dermatitis where there is inflammation of the skin cells. So absolutely yes, you can definitely give it in such situations, scenarios as a generalized health supplement in the dose of 30 ml twice daily. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Ashok Kumar Reddy. Diabetic patients can take both iPulse and iCoffee. Yes, but for diabetic patients, Mr. Ashok Kumar Reddy, if you are seeing this, 20 ml iPulse twice daily is always important. So not 30 ml twice daily, it's 20 ml twice daily is always important, followed by, you can also give iCoffee. Suppose if he is an insulin dependent patient, you can give iCoffee Black. If he is just a type 2 diabetic patient or a pre-diabetic patient, you can consider iCoffee Creamer. That will be 2 times in a day. iPulse will be 20 ml 2 times half an hour before the food. I hope the point is clear to you, Mr. Ashok Kumar Reddy. So the next question is from Mr. Jaipal. If Mr. Jaipal is asking Joginder Pal or Jaipal, I am not able to see the spelling properly, but still, either Joginder or Jaipal, if you are watching this, can we give iPulse for leukoderma patients? As I've told you, vitiligo or leukoderma, both of them are similar, the same synonyms actually. As I told you, as a generalized health supplement, you can definitely give this 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food, so that the health benefits can be seen. I hope the point is clear. The next question is from Mr. Zeroa Polur. So dear sir, iPulse can be given alone for diabetic patients. As I told you, yes, because diabetes as a part of a syndrome or disorder is something different, but diabetes encompasses different kinds of secondary conditions in it. It is always important for you to give 20 ml iPulse half an hour before your food twice daily, so that these complications are tackled well. That is what our whole intention is. I hope the point is clear to you. The next question is from Ms. Srilata. If Ms. Srilata is watching this, sir, can we use iPulse for excess body water? What other products can be used? See, if you are talking something about the edema which is there in the body, which is nothing but the over excess water content in the body, definitely you can use a good combination of iPulse as well as iCoffee. In fact, iPulse will be 30 ml 2 times and iCoffee can be used at half sachet 2 times half an hour before your food, so that the health benefits can be obtained well. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next set of questions that I am taking for today is, again I would like to tell you, my dear friends, so don't worry, your questions will not go in vain. We are establishing a question repository, so each and every of your questions will be answered. So don't have to worry about it once the system gets upright. So the next set of questions that I am taking here is from Mr. Biplab Sarkar. What is the right time to take iPulse? If Mr. Biplab Sarkar is watching this, as I told you, in the morning by 8:30 to 9 o'clock in the morning, and in the night it is 8:30 to 9 in the night. So this is how iPulse have to be used. So the next question is from Mr. Nandini Chitakula. If Ms. Nandini Chitakula is watching this, can iPulse be given to a person who has undergone open heart surgery? Absolutely yes. As a generalized dietary supplement, you can definitely give iPulse in a person who has undergone a cardiac surgery, because it is always important for us to protect one's heart. Even if the heart is not undergone a surgery, or in case of a healthy heart, definitely in both the conditions, iPulse has to be used in a proper way, that is 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food, at least for a minimum period of 3 months. If it is used, the health benefits can be obtained. I hope the point is clear, Ms. Nandini. So the next question I am seeing here is from Ms. Bhavani Sridhar. If Ms. Bhavani Sridhar is watching this, is iPulse good for rheumatoid arthritis? Yes, rheumatoid arthritis is a condition called as autoimmune disease, where, as I told you, iPulse has to be consumed 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is from Mr. Dilesh. One customer having deficiency of albumin, can I suggest iPulse? Definitely yes. But still I want to tell you that iPulse does not contain any kind of albumin content in this. It is an antioxidant drink with the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits only. It does not have any kind of albumin content in this, but definitely as a generalized health support, you can give this product in such a condition. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Payal Sindhwani. If Ms. Payal Sindhwani is watching this, sir, please guide in case of Alzheimer's disease, should we give iPulse only or in combination of iPulse and iCharge? Definitely, you can give a combination of iPulse and iCharge in such a situation actually. So iPulse should be given at at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, and iCharge has to be consumed 1 can in the evening times, preferably in the evening times by 6 o'clock. This can be continued for a minimum period of 3 months for getting the beneficial results. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Sampath Kumar. iPulse and iCoffee can be used simultaneously or half an hour before food. Suppose if you are using iPulse and iCoffee together, the first product must be iCoffee. iCoffee must be taken. After iCoffee, leave a gap of 15 minutes, then consume iPulse, and then leave a gap of 15 minutes, then you can have breakfast. I hope that my point is clear to you. This can be followed both the times in a day. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So the next question I am seeing here is from Mr. Tottakara Varghese Sunny. If Mr. Tottakara Varghese Sunny is watching this, iPulse dosage for kids below 5 years or above 5 years of age. So Mr. Varghese, as I have told you, above 1 year of age, you can give 30 ml 2 times half an hour before the food itself. There is no change in the dose. So the next question is from Mr. Basit Sheikh. iPulse dosage for, Mr. Tottakara Varghese Sunny's question is different. So can iPulse be kept outside the refrigerator? So that is a question Mr. Tottakara Varghese Sunny is asking. You can definitely keep it outside the refrigerator, but please put the white cap inside. If you are not putting the white cap inside, it is always better for you to keep the bottle in the refrigerator always. I hope the point is clear to you. It is always important not to expose the bottle to direct sunlight. I hope the point is clear. So the next question, as I answered, was from Mr. Basit Sheikh. If Mr. Basit Sheikh is watching, I think I answered your question, that is kids below or above 5 years of age. The dosage remains the same, that is 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. So the next question is from Miss Bindu Madhavi. Miss Bindu Madhavi, if you are watching this, 13 years boy suffering with peripheral arteries disease with less calcium and phosphorus. As I want to repeat everybody, so iPulse is not a repository of minerals. We have not added any added minerals in this like calcium or magnesium for that matter. Definitely you can give this as an antioxidant support to the boy at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. I hope the point is clear to you. So the last question of the day I am taking today. So don't worry again, I've told you that the questions will be answered at a later stage. So Basit Sheikh is again asking this question. One of my customers having breathing issue and he has suffering from diabetes also. Can iPulse be given along with iCoffee? Absolutely yes, you can give both iPulse and iCoffee. iPulse will be 20 ml twice daily and iCoffee will be 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, half an hour before your breakfast and dinner. I hope the point is clear to all. So thank you very much Vivites for posing your wonderful queries. So don't worry if your questions are left unanswered. We will be able to answer your questions in further coming days as well. So you can also shoot your queries on the messenger page of the Indus Viva or Vibrant Viva Facebook page. And I would also like to tell you that once the system is up, we will be able to answer those queries also in a regular way. So thanks so much for watching all the Vivites, all the enthusiastic Vivites across India, Nepal, and wherever you are across the globe. I would also like to remind you that I'll be coming live every Friday night to speak about our American product Ayurveda as well, my dear friends, on Indus Viva INC Facebook page. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day ahead. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore, signing off. Thank you very much.